Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can instantly add the color glitch text animation in CapCut Mobile. So first, you just need to prepare your edits and then go straight to text and just write your text. Okay, you can change the font into the one you like. I'm going to use the this, I think this one. Adjust the size and then go to animation. Here click on the loop category and then find the color glitch effect. Okay, this one, click on the color glitch, and the next thing that you need to do is adjust on how fast or slow you want the glitch to be. I'm going to go with 1.8 seconds. Click on the check icon and you are done. So this will be the result. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.